갑자기 내게 나타나.
Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, guys. I have here a hair dryer coming from Revlon, sponsored, and it is the latest model from Revlon. It offers AC motor for continuously working with cool shots. So as you can see here, pwede siyang i-rotate para maging straightener dryer. This is what they call 360 round hair dryer. So let's try to open this up. So excited! What I like about Revlon products, all of their personal care products is completely sealed. Ito yung gusto ko. Actually, I am working in a personal care area. Every time we are opening new products, to put it in display, Revlon is the best for me. As far as I remember, there are lots of brands coming in our shops, but only the Revlon is completely sealed. So let's open this. Hindi siya masyado mabigat, but the grip is very perfect. See the grip? Medyo nakabow siya, something pag nakaubo. And then there is our cold shots, and this is our heat. We have low, medium, and high, and this is our speed. And this is the logo for Revlon. Ang ganda ng filter niya. Actually, you can rotate this one to open it up, to clean. See? This is the filter. By some luck, some people, all the hair is getting in here. So that's the time. This is the purpose of this one. Design here. And as you can see, here may opening siya in the middle. And see, these are all ceramic cavity here inside. So in this way, you're going to use this as a straightener, like this. Here is your hair in the middle. Tapos, what you're going to do is to lift lang. Ano ba to? Nandito yata. Ano ito? Yun. See? I'm going to just lift. Roll. And then, it will be placed. You heard the click. So, ito na siya. It's completely hair blow dryer. And that. And as well as the wirings are completely sealed. Kaya, nagustuhan ko talaga yung product na ito. Ito yun. And it comes with our manual catalog. How to use it. So I must have to give it a try.
Moments later.
There. First, we're going to use our hair dryer options.
Many hours later.
Okay. So, ayun na. the options for, I mean, medyo mainit siya, of course. But the motor, the motor part of this, it's not heating up at all. Ito lang kasi yung motor niya. Dito medyo umiinit siya. Gawa ng yung tube niya to blow hot air. It's consists of ceramic. So this one inside is ceramic cavity. Medyo mainit. So what I'm going to do is lift it up again. Okay. To open it up. I guess the purpose of this one is only for the thick hair. Hindi ko makuha yung ano niya. The wind blows, the hot air blows down. So, baka siguro to make your hair bagsak and give it a proper volume. So, it's not going to be flatten here up on the top. Well, anyway, I'm going to be using the regular one. Kasi I'm going out and still here in Kuwait we still have curfew, so in a few minutes I'm going down for a quick pick of groceries. The purpose of cold shots here is to close all your pores and to prevent damage, breakage to your hair. So, dapat talaga after heating up, you have to tone it up to relax your hair, especially the roots. So, hindi siya mabilis na mapupull up or hindi siya mabilis mag-hair fall after doing a hair dryer or a hot air blowers. So, you can feel it. It's cold and very nice.
7 hours later. Flashback.
Ito na siya, guys. So that's it, guys. This is my reviews. This is very nice hair blower, although it's only 1,800 wattage, but it's really enough. I didn't set the time, but for me as a medium, an average thickness of the hair, pretty nice. I am only using around 650 watts of hair blowers, hot air blowers that I have coming from Panasonic. But really, fortunately, I have a very good friend who gave me this one as a gift on my birthday. So thank you so much, Leah, for this sponsorship. And that's my reviews. If you like these videos, please do subscribe on my YouTube channel and please click that bell button to keep you updated on my upcoming videos. Click like and share. Thank you. Be safe.